hate doing the dishes all the time.
I love modern appliances, it's true.
I hate hand washing dishes.
I miss the dishwasher. We've been really eco lately, barely using any water. Our dishwasher, it claims that it's really green, or vert, as they say en français. But green or no green, it's pretty awesome to stuff your dishes in a box, close the box, push a button, come back later, open the box, and have a special gift of clean dishes.
Yeah.
So sadly, we've been living without that gift for I want it back.
Yeah. We installed a dishwasher a year ago. This is what we did.
Are you sweating like a pig? I know, it's so sweaty, isn't it?
It's so tough. My hands are so. I'm halfway.
That's why the doctor told me I had nerve damage in my thumb. Do you have nerve damage yet?
No, I'm just nervous.
Get it going.
Less than a year later, it breaks. So, Cool J here tries to figure it out.
But you have to take it out of the cabinet, and I hoped that the guy from the repair shop would take it out of the cabinet.
But he couldn't take it out. And he said, "That's why you need a contractor to do stuff like this." And I'm like,
Minus points for him.
minus points for him. So now we have to figure out how to take it out of the cabinet because it's difficult.
Show him.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's about 3 layers of flooring in here on top of the ancient linoleum. So you got a couple layers of plywood and something else, and then the tile. And so basically we dropped the dishwasher over the lip, and now we've got to get it out again. What was the big deal? What a wuss that guy was.
I just want to have clean dishes and not get dishpan hands. Oh, I don't know where to lift.
Well, just lift.
Yes! Alright. You're doing the sawing.
I like sawing.
That's okay. Oh, yeah!
We're all smiling a lot more now that we did the sawing. We all have all our limbs. We all have all our eyes. It's good.
And I'm not gonna have dishpan hands anymore because of a dishwasher being fixed.
Huzzah! Well, more on that as it develops.
Right.